how do you add this up is you highlight all this and then go to AutoSum. It's under home. You should get 17.62. So I've got a calculator here just to check whether if this is correct or not. So 5.67 plus 2.43 plus 1.86 plus 7.67. What you saw there was actually a question posed to me by one of my participants a few weeks ago. So he said he doesn't really trust Excel because of, you notice just now when he auto-sum all those figure, it's actually less. So I'm going to tell you what actually happened and why Excel counted in that manner. Welcome to another edition of Tanya Profesor Dugong Gila. So the first thing you need to know what happened here is actually, what's wrong here is actually, if you notice that most of the time when we do calculation, we use formula. Okay, this is the result we get. So let's say I'm having 17 divided by 3, 17 divided by 7, and then 13 divided by 7, and 23 divided by 7, and so forth. So what actually happens here is that if you notice that if let's say I increase my decimal, Excel actually added all these things up. So notice that what happened here is actually why it comes to 6.2 instead of 17.63 is because of this issue, decimal issue here. How do I or how do you actually have to fix this issue? So the first thing first, you need to have this function. Okay, let's get the calculation first. You must use the formula round, function round, sorry. So okay, then you add in your calculation 17 divided by 3, and then the number of digits is of course 2.
Okay, so let me go back. Then next one will be round 17 divided by 7, comma 2. Next one is round 13 divided by 7, comma 2.
Last but not least, round 23 divided by 3. Then the number of digits is because we just need 2 decimal places. And then close. Round. Let's highlight all this and then auto sum. You should get 17.63. This is just a tip, okay, on making sure that when you do future calculation, especially when you have a lot of decimal, try to use round to round up the number so that you won't get into this type of situation whereby you actually make a loss instead of a profit. So I hope you learned something from here. I'll see you guys in the next video.